Hello guys, today I would like to teach you on trigonometric function, which is a bit tough. Alright, so let's have a look of how to do trigonometric function. So the first step you want to do trigonometric function is you must make sure you draw the right angle triangle. So the range of the angle is very important. So when I read the range of the angle is 0 to 90, so 0 to 90 is the first quadrant. So I'm going to sketch a right angle triangle with the adjacent must be at the x-axis. This is a compulsory. Alright? So if you start with the right step, then you shouldn't have problem. This should be the theta, and then for all the trigo we always want to compare the side, so you can just add the fraction t over 1, so meaning that the opposite here is t, right? And this is the adjacent because tangent is TOA, so that means the adjacent is 1. Alright, so that means you need to label your opposites as t. Hence, we can find the hypotenuse. This hypotenuse can be found using Pythagoras theorem because this is a right angle triangle. Let's say we want to find the hypotenuse is x, so x squared is equal to t squared, the two short length. Okay, square, and then we need to simplify the hypotenuse is square root 1 plus t square. Remember, 1 square is 1. So it means that this length now we can label as 1 plus t square with the square root. Now we have all the three sides, right? Okay, so we can actually solve the problem. Cotangent is 1 over tangent theta, so it's just 1 over t, and because remember it's the first quadrant, so the tangent is positive. So for the first question is very simple. Cotangent theta is 1 over tan theta, tangent theta, and it's just 1 over t. And make sure you double check it is positive because it is at the first quadrant. Sine 90 minus theta, so now I'm going to show you where is 90 minus theta, because you are having the right angle triangle, so that means this angle should be 90 minus theta, right? So 90 minus theta, if we want to find the sine, we have to show the arrow. This is the opposite or over hypotenuse, right? So sine is so sine 90 minus theta, let's write our answer. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to, remember the arrow is very important, arrow. Let me highlight to you the arrow. I'm drawing the arrow pointing to 1 over the hypotenuse is here. This is the hypotenuse, so it's 1 over square root of 1 plus t square, and it is positive. Why? Because it's at the first quadrant. That is why it is positive. Remember to double check. So the answer is quite simple. We get the answer, both are positive because it happened at the first quadrant from 0 to 90. That is how you solve the trigonometric function.